Hi, I'm Gary Nitzkin. I'm an attorney with Michigan Consumer Credit Lawyers. In this video, I'd like to discuss the top ways in which your credit report can get damaged without you even knowing about it. In the United States, most credit reports contain some sort of inaccuracy. Of those inaccuracies, 60% of them are enough to depress one's credit score. The first way in which people's credit reports get damaged is through something called mismerge. This is when two people have similar information, yet the information from one person's credit report is placed onto the other person's credit report. Are you John Smith? Well, so is he, except he doesn't pay his bills on time, and you get penalized for it. The word mismerge comes from the idea that one person's credit information is mismerged with your credit report. The second way in which people's credit reports get damaged is through creditor errors. For example, your bank may have received a timely payment from you, but may have reported it as being made late. A single payment recorded as 30 days late can plummet an otherwise stellar credit score by 30 to 50 points. The third way in which people's credit reports get damaged is through public records that are put on someone's credit report that don't belong there, except it involves public records instead of a creditor. We see a lot of judgments get posted to someone's credit report that don't belong to them. This especially happens when there's a junior-senior relationship. The fourth way in which people's credit reports get damaged is through credit reporting agency inaccuracy. For example, a creditor asks for information on John Smith who lives in Detroit, and the credit reporting agency may deliver information about John Smith who lives in Boise, Idaho. Every time your credit report is obtained by someone, it leaves a footprint of who pulled that report and when. The law requires that. It's very important that you verify that every pull of your credit report is a legitimate one, because every pull of your credit report affects your credit score. The fifth, and probably one of the most prevalent ways in which people's credit reports get damaged, is through identity theft. In the credit world, where identity thieves get some of your personal information, they typically don't get all of it. For example, they may provide your name, social security number, and even your birth date on a credit application. However, they'll use another address so that the goods that they've ordered will get delivered to them instead of you. You need to be vigilant about new credit lines appearing on your credit reports, as well as new addresses that appear. We've dedicated an entire section on our website to identity theft. If you've been a victim of identity theft, please visit that section of our website for more information on your rights. Call me, Attorney Gary Nitzkin, toll-free at 888-293-2882, or email me at gary@micreditlawyer.com. The call is free, the advice is free. We're here to help you.